Okay, so we're doing beef stroganoff. Get your pan ready, put some olive oil in there and some garlic. Get that ready to go. Then we're going to add our ground sirloin. And I'm actually going to do some Italian sausage. I'm going to add that in, and then we're going to add milk later. Alright, so before we add our beef, we want to add 2 cups of chopped onion and 2 cups of mushrooms. We're going to let this saute for a couple of minutes before the onions are see-through. Once we do that, then we're going to add our ground sirloin and Italian sausage. Okay, so we've added 2 pounds of ground sirloin and 2 Italian sausage links to our mushrooms and onions. We're going to saute this until it's brown, and then we're going to add the milk and Worcestershire sauce and sour cream. Okay, so I've added a 1/4 cup of butter, 1½ cups of Progresso beef broth, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and a 1/2 cup of sour cream and a 1/2 cup of whole milk. So we're going to let that simmer for a minute or 2. And in the meantime, we have some water in the pot, and we're going to throw some egg noodles in there, and then it's all going to be done. Alright folks, you got beef stroganoff. A little Parmesan, a little cracked pepper. This is tremendous. Sample it. Give me a like, subscribe, leave in the comments what you want next.